Welcome back to the channel after a really long break. There's a lot that has happened in the past month, as you can see.
So we've not been able to upload a video for the past 4 weeks courtesy of the lockdown and all the travel restrictions. So no travel, no travel videos, but we're glad to finally be back on the road and explore new things.
And it is what, 8:30 in the morning, and we're on our way to Malshej Ghat. So the reason we didn't vlog until here was because we weren't sure कि यहाँ पहुँचेंगे कि नहीं, courtesy all the checkpoints. We did cross quite a few checkpoints, but I think it was just the two of us, इसीलिए they let us pass. But we're not sure about riding in bigger groups or driving in bigger groups, you know.
And it's not even advisable because, you know, the pandemic is still out there, so we're not exactly safe. If you do step out, do so with precautions and be safe. We encourage you to stay at home and enjoy our travel videos through our point of view. यहाँ से जो रास्ता है आगे, it's absolutely beautiful. So
I hope it stays that way.
Yeah, enjoy the ride. See you there. Look at that amazing view and just look at these amazing roads. We have missed you so much. We are absolutely loving this superb tarmac road. It started right after we left Kalyan and it's gonna stay with us all the way to Malshej Ghat. So the ride is considered to be one of the more scenic ones from the city, and especially during the monsoon months, with the lush greenery on either side and the winding twisting roads. But you know, we were so desperate, we couldn't wait for the monsoon. It's okay, we'll come back. We've actually been here a couple of times before. The recommended mode of transportation is a motorcycle. Look at that. But a drive is welcome too. There's very little public transportation, maybe a few ST buses coming and going, but you really need to enjoy this on a motorcycle. This is just amazing. It's a 3 and a half hour journey one way and 7 hours in total, 6 or 7 hours in total. So ensure you carry enough snacks and ample drinking water, because there were very few shops on the way that we saw open. Up there on the ghat, there are no shops right now, courtesy the lockdown. So it's better to be safe, especially in this situation. Carry your own things. Right now, I don't want to talk. We're just going to enjoy this lovely ride. So stay tuned. Bye bye. How does my hair look? Okay, so we have come off the main road and down this nice little dirt path to click some pictures and enjoy the views a little bit. You can see the top of the Malshej Ghat through the trees here, and it's just stunning. It's so quiet and silent here. We're just enjoying this, and see you back on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Malsej Ghat. That's the view here. Isn't it amazing? So this is one of the viewpoints here at Malsej Ghat where Hema, Ravi and Suman have made their mark.
I wish there were better artists in India.
Yeah. So we've parked the bike right there by the side of the road and
That's all that we've covered till now.
yeah, superb roads, na? Amazing roads. We didn't find a single pothole and the twisties were all brilliant.
Maharashtra tourism deserves a shout out.
The road goes all the way over there and that's where that waterfall drops onto the road.
Some people say it's lucky. So there are a lot of cars जो वो point miss कर देते हैं, they just take a reverse. Just let that water fall on the car थोड़ा सा and then they proceed.
Yeah, it's beautiful during the monsoons but it's nothing less than that even right now. I think this is the place where the water keeps falling from the rocks onto the road, right? पीछे गया अच्छा वहाँ गया कि आगे वहाँ पर है अच्छा नहीं वहाँ पर तो वो केव है जिसमें मंदिर है ना उधर है ना वहाँ पर है पहले पता है यहाँ पर वो भुट्टा बेचने वाले लोग बैठे रहते थे स्टॉल लगा के गणपति बप्पा मोरया So we've climbed several hundred feet in the past 30 minutes or so and now we are on this flat plateau land and on this flat land what we have is this. We have the reservoir or the lake. I don't remember the name of this lake. Do you? Anyway, we'll Google it and put the name of the lake down in the description or we'll just put it right here on the video. Superb. What a lovely view, na? Look at that blue water. That is Saj by the sea or sorry Saj by the lake. Sea कहाँ से आ गया? So this road actually goes all along the ridge which is like the dam for this reservoir. We can go there but I think a better view is out here near the boating club. Swastik Boating Club. Chalo, let's go there. So this is it. We are here.
End of the road.
This is where the road ends and the lake begins. So this lake is called the Pimpalgaon Joga Reservoir. Just quite a large reservoir actually.
Yeah.
It becomes especially larger during the monsoon seasons when the water levels rise quite high. This little island thing that you see behind us kind of disappears.
It's a nice place to just chill and grab a snack and just admire the...
When we got here there were some other people enjoying the view and kind of chilling in the water, but I think they got embarrassed by us, so
He invaded their privacy.
they just got up and left. They were done having their bath. There were some other ladies also who were washing clothes who just picked up and left. It's a nice place to be,
I'm actually not even looking at the camera. I can't help looking around me.
Yeah, superb view. We are surrounded by hills all around us, and the reservoir is just sitting there in between all of them, safe, guarded, and we just chill out here for a little more time until we can start the journey back home.
इतनी गर्मी भी नहीं है ना?
Yeah, the sun is directly above our head, but there's a nice cool breeze blowing, so
It's pleasant. It's not very hot, not very cold.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of our lovely breakfast ride to Malshesh Ghat and back. And that's the end of the video too. Wow, monkeys. So here's to better and bigger road trips when the restrictions kind of ease off. If you like that video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel by clicking this icon over here. To check out our other videos, hit the box on this side. Until then, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.